Thokozani Mkhokho nomkhulu. Do you know how much work that is left for you after you went to do the consultation, or after you went to get whatever that you went to get, whether it's isigubhu, whether it's amaboyzi, whether it's amagundane, whether it's isikhwama? Do you know how much work that is left for you to do after you went to fetch? Even if you didn't fetch anything, even if you just went for a cleansing, insile mali, whatever cleansing that you did, do you know how much work that is still left for you? Do you know ukuthi the fact that you went for consultation, that is very easy. That is very easy. Anyone can do it. Anyone can go for consultation. Anyone can meet the best healer. Anyone can travel to any other country and to get whatever they get. That is easy. To get access to Muti, that is easy. Do you know what's the most difficult part? After you've got whatever that you think wena ukuthi you've got, but do you know ukuthi yini esakusalele enzima futhi, not just ukuthi is not easy, enzima, like do you know? Can we one day discuss it, maybe talk about it, maybe if I can, tell you. And I think it's something that you know, because most of the videos that I've done in this family channel, I've realized ukuthi it's things that we know, but it was just a matter of repeating it again for you to remember ukuthi, yeah, by the way, isalukwa sendoda se-right lana. Lento lena, it's something that I know, because there's nothing that I come with here that is out of this world ukuthi, wow, it's out of this world. No, it's things that we know, but we're just reminding each other. That's why sometimes you need to read, even if it's a book, you need to read it all over and all over and all over again, and then you realize ukuthi, hey man, how come I did not realize this chapter? Ukuthi it speaks to me. This is the chapter that speaks to me. So the same thing about the content in the social media. Most of the things that we read about in social media, maybe we know. I'm not talking about A+1 or this mood and this mood. I'm just talking about general knowledge. But it's just that sometimes it's how one puts it so that we understand it clear. So you let me know if you want to know ukuthi, what is it else? What else that needs to be done beyond rituals?